Sleep and Rest, the Story of Bedtime. Rest is defined as a body in a decreased state of activity, which brings a subsequent feeling of refreshment. Sleep is a deep state of rest that includes an altered state of consciousness and involves a progression of repeated cycles. There is still much to learn about how our body facilitates sleep, and research is ongoing. The medulla, pons, midbrain, and hypothalamus are known to play important roles. If injury to the hypothalamus occurs, one may sleep for abnormally long periods of time. In all plants, animals, and humans, biological clocks exist based on circadian rhythms. Circadian rhythms complete a full cycle every 24 hours. In Latin, circa means approximately, and diem means day. Circadian synchronization exists when a person's sleep-wake pattern synchronizes with their biological clock. Sleep dysfunction occurs when sleep-wake patterns are frequently altered and a person attempts to sleep during periods of high activity. There are two major stages of sleep. NREM, or non-rapid eye movement, consists of 4 smaller sleep stages, each progressively deeper. 75% of sleep is in NREM. Pulse, respirations, blood pressure, metabolic rate, and temperature decrease. Rapid eye movement, or REM, sleep is vital for healthy emotional and mental balance. It plays a role in learning, memory, and adaptations. 20 to 25% of sleep is in REM. Heart rate, respirations, blood pressure, metabolic rate, and temperature increases. To complete all stages of sleep, it is a 90-minute cycle, and each person completes 4 to 5 cycles a night. Stage 1 is transitional between wakefulness and sleep, a relaxed state and somewhat aware of surroundings, easily aroused. Involuntary muscle jerking may occur. Stage 2, a person is now asleep and can be aroused relatively easy. 50% of sleep occurs in this stage. Next, a person will enter into REM, characterized by rapidly shifting eyes. If aroused from REM, a person will vividly remember dreaming. 20 to 25% of total sleep is in REM. Stage 3 is a deep sleep and difficult to arouse. In stage 4, it is the deepest stage of sleep, most difficult to arouse, and the delta sleep occurs in this stage. There are many factors affecting sleep. An infant will sleep on an average of 16 hours a day. Most sleep consists of REM for a young infant. Nurses may need to educate parents on how to properly position them on their back to reduce the risk of SIDS. Also, sleeping with an infant using pillows, stuffed animals, or quilts gives risks of suffocation. Sleep requirements for a toddler declines to 8 to 10 hours of sleep with 1 nap during the day. Toddlers may begin to resist naps and going to bed at night. Around the age of 2, a toddler can transition from a crib to a bed. Preschoolers generally require, on average, 12 hours a night. By the age of 5, naps may no longer be necessary. A school-age child requires between 10 and 12 hours of sleep, generally on the 12-hour spectrum during times of growth. Adolescent requirements vary widely. Stress, school, employment, and activities may cause restless sleep for the adolescent. A young adult requires 8 hours of sleep, and their sleep patterns are determined by health, exercise, work, and lifestyle habits. Middle age, total time of sleep decreases and less time is spent in stage 4. Middle-aged adults become more aware of sleep disturbances. Older adults on average only require 5 to 7 hours of rest at night for adequate sleep. Their sleep is less sound, and stage 4 sleep may be completely absent.